Welcome to RankUpturn. RankUpturn is a reliable, automated, and sustainable digital infrastructure for all types of education institutes to scale up the digital transformation journey. It provides all the necessary tools and resources to automate the classroom and curriculum activities, accumulate the critical data, stay closely connected with the students, and to understand and fill the learning needs of students statistically in real time.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create mock tests and collaborate with classroom of students. So here I have already logged into an teacher account. The teacher name is like Terry Anson. And this is the main dashboard of the teacher account where you can able to see the classrooms that has been assigned for the teacher. So now you can click on the desired classroom. And inside the classroom, you can able to see the curriculum module, right? You can click on the curriculum module. And for which curriculum you are going to create a template, you can choose the subject here. So I'm just going with mathematics subject. So I'm just going to click on expand all so that you can able to see all the learning objectives. And for each and every learning objective here, you can able to create a template as well as you can able to create the activity here. So now I'm just going to create an activity for a mock test. So for a particular classroom as a teacher, before the main exam, you can able to conduct like multiple mock tests with the students so that the students can able to prepare themselves easily ready for the main examination here. So now I'm just going to create an activity for mock test. I'm just going to click on create activity. Once you click on create activity, that will be automatically taking you to the task maker here. So here you need to check the grade and the subject here. So under the types, we have like automation, semi-automation, non-automation, all the types. So now let us see like what is automation. Any learning activity schedule ensure the content delivery, response collections and validation by itself is called as automation here. So under automation type, we have like live contest, quiz, mock test, challenge, formative assessment, examination, experiment, homework, assignments. So now I'm just going to click on mock test. I'm just going to create an activity for automation mock test. So for automation, let us see like what all the response collections we have for automation type. We have like choose the right answer, choose the multiple answer, choose the right answer with images, choose the multiple answer with images, true or false, yes or no. So these are the options which we have for automation type here. So now I'm just going to create a mock test questions here. I'm just going to add a question. And this is my first question. So for this, I'm just going with the response collection like choose the right answer. Here I'm just going to mention the options here. From the below option, here you need to choose like which one is the correct answer here. And here you have like you can add the credit option here for each and every right questions. What is the credit score you want to give? Like it's kind of 1 mark question or 2 marks question. Based on that, you can able to add the credit score here. So I'm just going with 1 mark for each right answer here. And also you can able to add a negative credit here. So if a student has answered wrong, you want to add any wrong negative credit for each wrong answer in the sense here you can able to add that. So if you want, you can able to add the negative credits, otherwise you can able to hide the negative credit here. So for this activity, like maximum up to 200 questions you can able to add. So now I'm just going to add one more question here. And from the below option, you need to choose which one is the correct answer. And now I'm just moving on to the next question. So for this question, I'm just going with the response question like yes or no option. So now you need to choose like whether the answer is yes or no. You need to choose the option. And for this question, if you want to change the credit in the sense, you can able to change the credit. Otherwise, you can able to leave it as it is. So I'm just going with same one mark for this question also. So for this question, I'm just going to add an answer. And now I'm just going with the next question. for this question, I'm just going with the response selection, true or false. So from the answer, you need to choose like which one is the right answer here. And if you want to change the credit also, you can able to change for this question. So I'm just, for example, I'm just changing it to 2. So now I have added few questions. So here in the right answer, you can able to view like how it will be viewed in the student's view screen. So you can click on the previous questions and you can able to see the questions here. Once you have created the activity, in the sense, if you want to save this activity in a draft, in the sense, you can able to save it. Otherwise, you can able to create and schedule it. So now I'm just going to create and schedule it. So you need to check for the classroom and also like target that group is like all students. So now I'm just going for today's date. And timing is an optional one. As a teacher, if you want any particular activity need to be conducted to the students in a particular time, like for 1 hour or 2 hours, in the sense, you can go in with the timing option. Otherwise, which is an optional one here. So here we have like for publishing, we have like publish now and publish later option. So if you want this activity need to be published now immediately to the students, in the sense, you can go with publish now option. And if you are going with publish later option, in the sense, here you need to give the later on date, on which particular date like you want this activity need to be published to the student. For example, if I'm just going like on December 22nd, I want this activity need to be published to the student, in the sense. So whether the teacher is available or not, automatically once I have given the date here, in the sense, that activity will be scheduled to the student dashboard on December 22nd. So now I'm just going with publish now option itself. So here your activity is scheduled successfully. So under the task maker, you can able to see the activity which you have created for mock test of mathematics, which you can able to see for the integer addition and subtraction topic here. And also you can move on to the feed column, where you can able to view the activity which you have created for mock test under like integer addition and subtraction. As a teacher, you can able to click on this particular activity and you can able to view here. And once the student has started responding to this activity, in this sense, you can able to see each and every student's response can be viewed here. And also as a teacher, you can able to view the overall classroom statistics. Once all the students in this classroom has been responded to this particular activity, in this sense, as a teacher, you can able to view the overall classroom statistics for this particular activity can be viewed here. Like what is the overall engagement percentage, who has scored the highest score, what is the lowest score, what is the average score, who has taken the fastest timing, what is the slowest timing, and who has taken the highest mark. Everything can be viewed by the teacher here. So this is how, as a teacher, you can able to create the mock test and collaborate with classroom of students under RankUpturn. Thanks for watching. Get started with a free subscription today. RankUpturn LMS is an innovative one-stop solution. Provides all the necessary tools and channels for your institution to systematically amplify the personalized learning, automate the classroom and curriculum activities, and provides the proper channels for all stakeholders to statistically understand and fill the learning needs in real time. Happy teaching and learning.